Hey, I'm Matias. I'm going to demonstrate how to install a real wood toast cover on an Essential phone. What we've got here is the toast cover. This is in the ebony with the solar design. It's got a metallic inlay in there. So the kit includes the back panel, a button set, an alcohol wipe for cleaning the phone before installing, and then we're also going to do the optional front cover on there as well. So to get started, you're going to want to clean your phone with the alcohol wipe. And just really focusing on the corners and edges, because that's really where the bond's going to be. I'm just going to clean that off with a rag here. So to align your cover, the best thing to do is to start by plugging in your USB cable into the back there and laying that down in front of you. And then we're going to apply the back cover. We're going to use the fingerprint reader, the mic hole for alignment, and then the bottom, the USB cutout on there. So we'll peel off that backing paper. Just have a secondary backing piece here for that metallic inlay. And so we're just going to align that top here with the fingerprint reader and that little mic hole there. I'm just going to shift it a little bit to get that perfectly aligned. And then we're just going to sight the bottom to get that aligned. So you lined up here, lined up there, and then we're good to go. So pull out that USB cable. And I'm just gonna roll the side pieces on here. So we got the sides on, and then we're just gonna do the same thing with the top and bottom. I'm just gonna roll those on. And then just gonna take those wings and put them in, these little wings here, and put them in place. Shift a little bit to get that alignment perfect. So then when that's on there, we're just going to roll these corners a little bit, and that's going to help really force the wood into the shape of the phone there and get a nice bond on there. Alright, so last little bit is the button covers. So we got this little card here for the buttons, and I'm just going to peel off the backing paper and see how those buttons kind of sticking in there a little bit. So first one out is the camera cover here. Just a nice little fit around the camera lenses. Got a power button here, a little guy. Just gonna give them a good stick, press them a couple times, and then we've got volume buttons. Right here. And last is a little SIM card slip tray cover. It just goes on the bottom, just line the hole up with the pinhole, and there you go. So that's the main body there. And then we also have an optional front cover to put on the front. So we'll just grab our alcohol and give that a cleaning. So this front piece is actually extremely thin because of the small bevels that are on the front of this phone. So it's somewhat fragile until installed on your phone, so it just takes care of handling it. So peel off the backing paper. I'm going to start on the bottom here and just kind of lining it up. The edges there. and then line the top up. That nice. And there you go. Essential phone, fully toasted in our ebony, featuring our cool solar inlay in copper metallic.